So there you are, always got insulted at school and those filthy kids telling you that your mom is green. So you come home and cry and you thought to yourself, how do you command respect from these people? You see, in life, there are things that are harder said than done, and sometimes impossible to achieve. People can say, if you want to be respected, you must...
Maybe you've not been told this, but this is so important. Listen, success is all based on dominating other people, specifically other men. If you want to have a list of accomplishments that make you feel confidence, that then gets you respect from people, you need to get used to competing with other guys and destroying them.
We all know that. Doesn't have to need a degree holder or a PhD to know that. If you get everything, you got power, money, fame, status, you got all of those things, of course you will be respected and you wouldn't even need it at that time. But what's not obvious is, for the average person, for the average loser who has an average wage, average physique, average everything, does he not deserve any respect? Everybody's got to start somewhere, right? And this is why I say being the best in something is an awful advice to gain respect. Same goes with confidence. Being the best in something, of course, gives you confidence. But is it practical advice? No, because being the best is realistically impossible. You can be good at something, but being the best? Nah. You can strive to be the best, but to what extent does life permits you to be the best? Do you have the resources? Sing again, no you don't. And to be the best, you need the best combination of hard work, genes, and luck. You can be the most hardworking person in the room, but the second person who works the most and who has 10 times more luck than you will definitely overcome you and be the best. And that's how life works. Is it fair? No. Will blaming the system work? No. But can you still demand respect from others? Well, yes. How? By first realizing that it's okay to not be the best. Second, respect yourself. What do I mean by this? Alright, so first of all, you have to get rid of your beliefs that you need to be the best to gain respect. No, you don't need. You can start earning respect from the most important person on your life, is you yourself. And respecting yourself means you start valuing your own values, your own needs, your thoughts more than every other people. I used to think that I need to have a charismatic body, a good-looking face, a sharp jawline, a charismatic voice, just to be respected. And in a room where I have most of these qualities, I am certainly respected. But when I'm in the room with people that are better than me, better looking than me, talk better than me, I felt really insecure. I remember just being in a room with other really smart guys that talks better than me, and I was trying hard, like I wanted to impress them. I tried to make funny jokes and be the most talkative person in the room, but that was just all ego. It all comes from just needing validation from other people. Why? Because I didn't value myself. I didn't think I was awesome just becoming who I am. I didn't respect myself. And how do you expect people to respect me? Of course they won't. So if a guy comes up to you and tells you that your brain is small like a pea and it can fit a whole whale in your skull, what are you going to say? Do you get mad and cry? Because if you do, you put your bully's opinions above your opinion. A self-respected man knows that he doesn't have a small brain and he knows he is smart. So he doesn't give a shit to cry on what the bully says. He doesn't care even if the whole world laughs at him. If he knows he did something right, then he will keep approving himself. That's what makes a self-respected man so much more dangerous. It's hard to convince him that he's wrong because of his high true principles in life. If he really truly feels something is wrong, then he will truly acknowledge it. If he thinks what he is doing is right, even if the whole world comes laughing at him, he will still continue what he is doing. That's how you respect yourself. By having strong ground principles and valuing your own opinions, your needs and wants over others. So learn to respect yourself first. Then only can worry on other things to work on. Hold your head up high when you walk. Don't look down. Looking down will make you look intimidated and scared and shy. Keep up a strong, straight posture. Keep your shoulders back and your chest up high. Maintain a relaxed and calm demeanor. A relaxed movement is always attributed with confidence. because it shows that they are in control of the situation. Don't move or talk fast because that will make you appear like nervous. Just be in the moment and move relaxedly and comfortably. Doing daily meditations will help you with this. When you talk to people, look them in the eye. When you look people in the eye and talk, they will know you are telling the truth, that they are confident, that you are confident about what you are saying, and you have integrity. And people respect people who has integrity, and maintain a strong voice tone by speaking through your diaphragm. And finally, verbally admit it. Yes, verbally. I mean it verbally. Sometimes in life, the things you want just can be gained from asking. I remember, I was in college and I was sleeping in these rooms of 4 people, and one night it was very noisy. I couldn't sleep at all. So I came up to them and I said, "Hey, can I ask for some respect? I'm trying to sleep." And guess what? It's easy as that. They respected me and they don't even make a sound anymore. Not even one single noise. When you ask for respect, more often than not, they will always respect you. If not, just call the police, man. And now, so you know how to command respect, go and do it. But remember, respect doesn't come from external sources like friends and colleagues until you first start respecting yourself first. So respect yourself, guys. And until then, take care and be a fucking rock.